Hey, Robbie here from Savestores, and I am today, you're going to be in for a treat. I'm going to talk to you about vacuum maintenance and maybe some things that you can do at home to help spruce your vacuum up and make it work better. If you don't feel comfortable doing these yourself, definitely bring it in. We can do a service on it for you, go through and change everything. But I will tell you there's 3 things you can do to basically bring your vacuum back to life. So the first one is replace the belt. So what happens is the belt stretches out or it breaks, which makes that your brush roll is no longer spinning. And I get asked all the time, what does a brush roll do and why do I need it for carpets? So let me show you. So this vacuum has the ability that I can shut off the brush roll. So this one's actually really handy because I can go onto bare floors. I'm going to leave it in the bare floor setting, and I'm going to go up here, and you can see it's not doing anything here to the dirt. That's straight suction. When you get a brush roll spinning, I will turn this one on, and you can see all the dirt that gets beat down into the carpet comes up so that the vacuum can get it. So the problem we have with carpets in our home is they're designed to hide dirt, so you don't really see this in the home, but these vacuums are designed to actually pull that dirt up, and that's what a brush roll does. So if you got a new brush roll, that's number 2, new brush roll, and a new belt, and number 3, new filters. Filters are what makes the airflow, and as they get plugged, they don't allow as much air in. And less air in means less air out, which means that you're actually lowering your suction on your vacuum. So with these, if you put a new filter, a new belt, and a new brush roll in your vacuum, you will immediately have it back working a lot better than it was before. But right now we're doing a huge discount, 25% off all of our vacuum services. So you can bring in your vacuum, take 25% right off the top, and they'll go through the refreshing your vacuum, make it work good as new. We're also doing a donation program where if maybe you bring it in and maybe it's not quite worth investing into, rather than just throwing it away, we're going to donate them and give you a trade-in credit. So you're kind of going to get a win-win here. But I also want to let you know that right now we also have a huge deal going right now on all of our canceled layaways and duplicates from when we merged our 2 stores together. So we've got a lot of just really good things happening, but I want to make sure that your home is clean for the holidays, and when those pine needles start falling down, they're kind of difficult to pick up sometimes, and they might create a clog. So we're here for you. I want you to think about us the next time that you have a vacuum cleaner need. Call 503-775-7283. Like and share. You can send this to someone if you know you've got someone that really wants a new vacuum. We've got new vacuums starting under $100. We've got great rebuilt vacuums that come with a warranty and everything too. So give us a call, and we'll see you in the new year. Bye.